Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you guys are doing great. Today I'm gonna show you how can you turn off everyone tag. This is an irritating feature by Facebook. So how can you turn off that? So first of all, you have to go to your profile. First of all, you have to go to your profile, then scroll down setting, then click setting, then find your profile setting, then scroll down and notification setting, then press tag. Then you can find here three options: anyone, friends of friends, and friends. You have to select friends, then you can find everyone option, batch and everyone mention. So you have to turn off. So if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.